Sometimes a cough can help by breaking up congestion. But dry, hacking coughs can irritate your throat, so they need special attention. And Cheracol D has been quieting dry, hacking coughs due to colds for as long as most of us can remember. Cheracol D even has an expectorant that helps break up phlegm and mucus. Cheracol D, just what you need for a dry, hacking cough.